If you're looking for the best RV shower head, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Oxygenics White Standard 26781 Handheld Sprayer Kit. Whether or not you have a dry camping adventure, there is no need to fret if you have the Oxygenics Showerhead ETL 26781. We think that this is one of the best shower heads we've tested for this review. Our team loves the fact that this shower head fixture can make every RVer's life more enjoyable and fun while camping. All you need is to fill up your motorhome's reserve tank, turn on the water heater, and wait until the water warms before showering. We find this shower head valuable for putting engine power into our motorhome. Not to mention, it looks attractive and blends well with any decoration and theme. Another benefit we love about this choice is its ability of increasing oxygen content into the water, allowing for self-pressurizing for that jet of comfortable shower all the time. Number 2. 6-function luxury handheld shower head. Another fully functional handheld shower head is the 6-function handheld design offered by Aqua Elegante. It takes pride in its amazingly high pressure as well as its fully adjustable nature. Apart from that, it is constructed out of heavy-duty and sturdy ABS plastic material. Just like stainless steel, such material is known for being rust-proof. With that quality, you are allowed to use it almost anywhere, including outdoors, like the outside pool and beach. It is also perfect for recreational vehicle owners like you who want to invest in a really functional and convenient shower head. It is also greatly possible for you to enjoy the removable restrictor featured in this product. Number 3. Dura Faucet DF SA130 WT RV Shower Head and Hose Kit. If you're looking for a durable and high-quality shower head, then you might want to check out the Dura Faucet. It is one of the coolest choices we can recommend. For one, Dura Faucet is a reliable brand with commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. This model is also compatible for many types of recreational vehicles, campers, and fifth wheels. RV camping must be very comfortable and convenient so that you feel you never really leave your home. We think that this Dura Faucet is one of those to provide us with that. This item is made of lightweight synthetic resins that add to its stylish look and durability. Number 4. Phoenix PF276015 Single-Function Handheld Shower. The PF276015 handheld shower from Phoenix, USA is also a highly recommended product for those searching for a shower head that is mainly designed for recreational vehicle use. It comes in a handheld design which promotes convenience once you install it in your RV and start using it. Since it only has a single function, it can also eliminate the guesswork as far as using it is concerned. It is also equipped with a handy on or off feature, promoting ease in turning it on once you're ready to use it and off at the time you are already finished using. Number 5. PIH HighPressure RV Handheld Shower Head. We recognize the importance of having a comfortable shower experience in RV camping. This item is promising for its ease of use and convenience with its pause settings. It lets users control and save water, especially when there is no hookup available in the camping ground. With the PIH shower head, you never have to have a communal shower experience and share with other campers. You can have it in your motorhome, fifth wheel, or RV, and this shower head can offer you a comfortable shower experience all the time for its powerful shower spray. It can also save water for its controllable water intensity settings. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.